Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be boxing a giveaway. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. In my last live, I held an impromptu giveaway. If you've missed that, go ahead and check it out on my channel. And so you don't miss another impromptu giveaway, click on that notification bell so that you'll be able to catch all my videos, as I like to throw them here and there just to spice things up. So I did this for my 600 subscriber giveaway, and I decided to do a Josieism original. So here I have created a full set using these beautiful colors. And I am now just boxing it up. I didn't film making the nails because I wanted to keep it a secret from the winner of the giveaway. So now I'm just going to show you guys how I package all this up. I also wanted to let you guys know that I have opened my Etsy shop to do a Josieism originals. So if you want to go and grab yourself a Josieism original, check out my Etsy. I'll leave the link in the description box below. But these will be limited to a few orders, maybe per month or every other month or something like that. I love to do nails, as you guys know, and I love to go ham on them, so I don't want to end up not loving this hobby. So I'm going to be limiting the amount of custom nails that I end up selling on my Etsy. So like I said, go ahead and check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box below. But for now, we're going to focus on packing up this giveaway that I have given to my subscriber winner for my 600 subscriber impromptu giveaway. So I didn't realize how much is involved in press-on nails. I already know that it's such an amazing and complex business to have, and I know that some of my nail sisters have these as a business, and I commend them for how much work is involved, let alone designing a set. So again, this is more like a hobby to me, and I hope that I can just keep this going every now and then, because I like to focus more on just designing and doing videos. But just getting all the stuff that I need to pack was fairly interesting in itself. Because in my first orders for anyone that shops on my Etsy, they're gonna get a full set with extras, just in case you know, there are sizing issues. There are instructions on my posting so that you can get the right size that you need, but as a complimentary gift, I am including all these extra sizes to be sure that even if you measure out your own nail beds, you'll still get the size you need in case there is something slightly off. And so I am taking this, it's like a cardstock, and I'm just sticking them on there. So as you can see, I'm already having issues trying to figure out how to place these guys. I am on one side gonna do the complete set so you know what it'll look like, and then on the back side I'm going to be sticking on the extra sizes. So now that we are aware of this, I'm just going to speed up this video so that we won't spend a year and a day watching me trying to figure out how I'm going to pack these nails. But I did find it interesting because I found a box that will keep everything nice and snug. I was a little concerned with the extra sizes, if they were just going to roll around in there. Do I stack them on top of each other? I wanted to display them very nicely, so you know, it was all these factors that I had to think of. So I decided to do it this way, and I hope that when you guys finish this, it's a short video, you'll be able to see like, oh, you know, any kind of feedback. But I hope that you get the gist of what I'm packing here, and that is good enough to be a representation of a Josieism. I'm very critical of my work 110% of the time, so I'm really hoping that what I'm doing here is up to standards. So on the back side of this card, and I'm just sticking the remaining extra pieces on here, so there's no nail that's going to be left alone. It's all going to fit snug as a bug in this case, and they're all going to be nice and lined up and everything. I will be including numbers on here in the giveaway. This content creator did give me their nail size, so I didn't need to put stickers to indicate their nail sizes, but for first orders, I will be including the press-on nail numbers to use in the future, so you know what sizes you are when you do a reorder. But yeah, so basically I'm using this really super pretty heavy duty case. I always am concerned about shipping anything and making sure that it gets to the person in one piece. And you know, I've sent out some crocheted and knitted items as well, and I still worry about that. So I probably overpack than I need to. But for this step now, I have to somehow figure out a way to wrap up this butterfly charm without having it get crushed. Because, you know, even if you pack things well, for some reason, some carriers just will not care what's in the parcel. They shake it, they drop it, they'll slam it. So for this giveaway packing, I am going to put this in a shell case that I made a while back. But in my future Etsy orders, it's going to be the casing is going to vary. So if you order a charm, rest assured that I am putting it in something to where the charm doesn't get crushed. But the containers will change depending on size and availability. But I did have some of these shells here, so I am going to use the shell to encase this charm, and it's super pretty, and I love the color combo. We have the shades of purple that just speak to me. I mean, my favorite color is green, and I do have some other colors that I appreciate and love, and purples is one of them. And I, of course, had made this like aqua glitter shell here by using some spray on, but it works very well with this purple, so it all works out, and I'm really happy that I'm using this. Again, the containers will vary. It's also with my creative mood. I might do something different, use a different container, maybe bedazzle it. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But yeah, so we're going to continue on this boxing for my giveaway. Along with my ImPress-onIsms, I am going to be including a complimentary toolkit. This is just a third-party toolkit, and you can use your own items however you would like to prep your nail and adhere your nail to your own nail beds. But just in case it doesn't matter to you or you don't have any of that, I'm going to include this toolkit. It comes with instructions for both the nail tabs, stickers, adhesives, whatever you want to call it. And then on the other side, it's instructions for the nail glue. So along with these instructions and nail tabs and alcohol wipes, I'm including a nail buffer that you see here. It's nice and super cute. I love nail buffers, especially for press-ons. And then we're going to do this orange stick or wooden cuticle stick, and then a nice cute emery board, along with my nail glue, or not my nail glue, but a nail glue that I'm going to throw into there. And it's all going to come into this sealed package. Everything is nice and sealed, so if at any event there's some craziness with the spillage, it'll all be contained. So yeah, I'm going to be including that in my Express-on-Isms orders on Etsy. And just to make sure, I'm going to toss in a little sticker that says toolkit, so you know it's a toolkit. Hey, sometimes you have to. But yeah, you know, like, some people don't know these things. I didn't when I started. I'm also going to include my business card, ImPress-on-Isms. It's got my contact information as well as my Etsy link. And then on the other side is going to be a picture of a past design that I've done. Maybe this will inspire you for any future sets that you may do yourself or that you may want to purchase from me. And for this giveaway, this is not in the Etsy orders, unfortunately. But because this is a giveaway, I am giving the winner some of these nail decorations. I didn't show how I packed them, but I have a little bit of everything and I wanted to like just put them in there and give them to her. Along with that, I want to do a little spa treatment. I mean, I don't know anything about this stuff, but I do love some of these products here. Aveeno is one of my favorite products that I love to use for everything. And I did try this hand mask that I really love, and I'm going to throw in these spa gloves to heat up what's going on in there. And then it's got these little finger and thumb textured fingers so that you can use your phone while you're waiting for this hand mask to do its magic. So I'm throwing that in there as well. So again, this is like a nice small impromptu giveaway. The set alone is a lot, really. It's small, but it's not. I put in my all into every design that I do, so I really hope they appreciate it. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and check out my Etsy. I'll leave the link in the description box below. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.